Hello everyone! Today we are solving a challenging PSLE fraction problem about Mei and her books. It has 3 parts, so let's take them one at a time. Here is our question. Mei had some books. She put 7/9 of the books in 8 large boxes and 1/12 of the books in 3 small boxes. She donated the rest of the books. Part A asks, what fraction of the books were donated? Part B tells us each large box contained the same number of books and asks what fraction of Mei's books were put in each large box. And Part C says there were 15 more books in each large box than in each small box and asks how many books Mei had at first. Before we start, let's organize what we know. 7/9 of all the books went into 8 large boxes. 1/12 of all the books went into 3 small boxes. The rest of the books were donated. Each large box had 15 more books than each small box. We need to find the donated fraction, the fraction in each large box, and the total number of books at first. All right, Part A. All of Mei's books together make one whole. The denominators are 9 and 12, and their common denominator is 36. So we write one whole as 36/36. 7/9 equals 28/36. Because we multiply the top and the bottom by 4. 1/12 equals 3/36. Because we multiply the top and the bottom by 3. Now we subtract. 36/36 minus 28/36 minus 3/36 equals 5/36. So here is our first answer. 5/36 of the books were donated. Now for Part B. 7/9 of the books are shared equally among 8 large boxes. So each large box gets 7/9 divided by 8. Dividing by 8 is the same as multiplying by 1/8. 7 times 1 is 7, and 9 times 8 is 72. So each large box holds 7 70-seconds of the books. That is our second answer. 7 70-seconds of Mei's books were put in each large box. Part C is the 3-mark question, so let's use the units and parts heuristic. First, we rewrite every fraction with the same denominator, 72. Then the whole collection of books becomes 72 equal units. Each large box is 7 units, and each small box is 2 units. Do you see? Once the denominators match, the fractions turn into easy whole number units. Let's draw a bar model to compare one large box with one small box. One large box is a bar of 7 units. One small box is a shorter bar of just 2 units. The large bar is longer by 5 units, and the question tells us that difference is exactly 15 books. Now let's write out the working carefully. First, the small boxes. 1/12 of the books shared equally among 3 small boxes gives 1/12 divided by 3, which is 1/36 of the books in each small box. Next, we make the denominators the same. Each large box is 7 70-seconds, and 1/36 is the same as 2 70-seconds. Now we compare. 7 units minus 2 units equals 5 units. Those 5 units stand for 15 books. So 1 unit is 15 divided by 5, which equals 3 books. The whole collection is 72 units, so we multiply. 72 times 3 books equals 216 books. Let's check our answer. 7/9 of 216 is 168. So each large box has 168 divided by 8, which is 21 books. 1/12 of 216 is 18. So each small box has 18 divided by 3, which is 6 books. 21 minus 6 is exactly 15 more books. It works. Mei had 216 books at first. Great job today, everyone. Remember, when fractions have different denominators, make them the same, and the whole problem becomes simple units. See you in the next video.